Hello there peoples, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lexus and this is Nom Nom to Fitness. So today I have another what I eat in a day video for you. That's what I'm going to be doing, just showing you what I eat for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And I'll possibly work out today. I believe that I am. If I film it, then I'll show you that too. Yeah, that's it. Let's get into it. So for breakfast, I had some toast with this vegan smoked Gouda spread. This stuff is absolutely delicious. I started off by spreading it on the bread, and then I added some lettuce, tomato, red onion, and some everything but the bagel seasoning that I got from Trader Joe's. And I also like to have a smoothie in the morning when I have toast because it keeps me full. So I'm adding a little bit of Simply peach juice. It's also a good way to get in those fruits and veggies in the morning. Some water, adding some green apple, some spinach, and more spinach, frozen strawberries, frozen raspberries, some pineapples, and frozen banana. I'm also adding a little bit of chia seeds. This was supposed to be a green smoothie, but it didn't turn out that way, but it was still good, so it doesn't matter. And that is what I had for breakfast. This toast is so good. So I did end up working out later on. Here I am doing some dumbbell squats, some jumping jacks. I don't know what these are called, but I'm like pushing my toes up, and you know. I'm doing some butt kickers right now. I'm using the dumbbell to work those muscles and glutes. Now I have my resistance band, and this works your arms. I got this as a gift. I really like it. And I forgot what this move is called, but it works your glutes and stuff, and your legs, and your back, your arm. It's not easy to do. As you can see, I'm losing my balance at the end, especially when I go to the non-dominant side. Well, it's not really hard to do. It's just that I lose my balance when I switch sides sometimes. So after I showered and everything, I came down to have some lunch. I'm having my leftover kale, sweet potato, chickpea salad, and some cotton candy grapes. I made that salad in a previous video, so I'll link it up above. I've been buying this for the past few weeks. We gotta get more before they stop selling them. I won't have them until next year. But they taste like cotton candy, but it looks like a regular grape, but it actually tastes like cotton candy. I watched a video on YouTube. They did it because some kind of plant breeding thing that they do that gives it this taste. I wish they sold these all year round. And it's not super sweet either. I'll read it. These cotton candy grapes really do taste like cotton candy. What a fun, healthy way to enjoy everyone's favorite flavor from the fair. Let me know if you agree. I agree. I made this chickpea sweet potato kale salad yesterday in one of my videos. I'll post it up here. It has balsamic vinegar
a balsamic dressing that I made. Put maple syrup in it, Dijon mustard, balsamic vinegar, garlic. I have some rice in it, brown rice, and red onions. I'm making this every week, like I swear, it's so good. You have to try this. You can eat it cold or warm. I eat it both ways, but I warmed it up a little bit. Like, how can something this healthy taste so delicious? Like, it's crazy. I'm starting to eat more vegetables, like with every meal. I eat vegetables, just not as much as I do now. If you make this, do not skimp out on the sweet potatoes. It's like my favorite thing about this entire dish. It makes it taste so good and fallish. I think for dinner I'm making ramen. Cause I went to Sprouts and they had these miso soup packets. So I got that and some veggie broth just in case I needed it. I can put mushrooms and stuff in it. We'll see.
So I did end up making some ramen, have some sliced mushrooms, some broccoli that I didn't use because I decided I didn't want it in there. And I have some roasted corn, some spinach, green onions. So I added some sliced cremini mushrooms to a skillet, and I added a little bit of pepper, some garlic powder, and a teaspoon of soy sauce. And I just cooked it down. You don't have to cook the mushrooms down. You could add it to the water. I just wanted it to have, you know, that browned flavor, if you know what I mean. And I'm adding 2 cups of water to a saucepan. Let it come to a boil. This is the miso cup that I use. It has tofu in it too. I got this from Sprouts. I added 2 packets because I used 2 cups of water. And now I'm adding some frozen roasted corn. Just add it right in there and it'll cook. And the noodles. These noodles cook very quickly. It's just like making the oodles and noodles that come in a little orange packet. So like about 2 minutes. And I'm adding some spinach to get those extra greens in. Adding some green onions. And voila! This was the ramen and it turned out absolutely delicious. I also put some sriracha on top, but I didn't show it. So that was everything that I ate today. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye!